Picture this. You're in a meeting, you raise your hand to speak, and you start off with, I just wanted to say, on the inside, you feel small. On the outside, people hear your hesitation. Research on minimizing language, words like just, sorry, actually, shows that it waters down your message and drops your credibility. Women use this language more often than men, especially in corporate environments. Saying just is a verbal apology before the conversation's even started. It primes people to doubt your value before you've even spoken. It's unconsciously saying, my idea is optional. Next time you hear yourself say just, pause, rephrase, and say without it. Instead of, I just think our strategy could pivot, say, I propose pivoting our strategy this way. Write down how many times you say just in a day. Write it, then ditch it.